Kia ora. Welcome to New Zealand.
Temporary high, the rise, the fall, the shit is messing with my mind. I'm off the wall, now I'm running for the lights. Yo, I'm on, yeah, I do this every night. It's right, it's wrong, I do this every single time. Well, fuck it, it's on, I just wanna touch the sky. Cause now I see the white lines and blue skies. Who told you that we can fly? Something that I like before I die. I'm just trying to live my life. Say yes, say no, but you don't have to ask me twice. I'm in my zone, you know. I want the feeling like I'm breaking through the ceiling, and I just want to touch the sky. Yeah. Cause now I see the white line and blue skies. Who told you that?
From Melbourne, Australia.
Favorite movie?
Mary Poppins.
Matt from London, UK.
Favorite band?
Biffy Clyro.
My name is Michael Ridgway-Galeno. I'm from Adelaide, South Australia.
Favorite Beatle?
Ringo.
Hi, I'm Verity Smith. I come from England and Oxford.
Favorite food?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Derek. I'm from Philadelphia in the States.
Favorite sport?
Soccer.
Told you that we can fly. I'm going on an adventure!
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea, as long as
place you've traveled?
New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm from San Francisco, United States.
Biggest celebrity crush?
Orlando Bloom.
I'm Giuseppe from Italy.
Favorite sport?
Football, soccer.
There's no place I'd rather be. With every step you take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart, you can't shame me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather.
What's your name?
Auckland,
Where are you from?
Newcastle, Australia.
And what are you about to do?
Jump off a bridge like my girlfriend wanted.
What's your name?
Ashley,
Where are you from?
Australia.
And what are you about to do?
Jump off a bridge.
When I am with you.
Post bungee, how you feeling?
That was so good. I loved it so much. I want to do it again.
If you, there's no place I'd rather be. Yeah. Baby, 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 baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. You gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart, you can't shake me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be.
Killed the demons of my mind ever since you came around. We a river running wild. How could I have been so blind? I just live a fast life, forget about the past.
Hi, I'm Paulina. I'm from Poland, from Gdańsk.
Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter?
Harry Potter.
Hey, I'm Ashley from Toronto.
Dumbledore or Gandalf?
I don't know Gandalf, so I guess Dumbledore.
I'm out to escape my fears. Friendships only pass by, show up on like strobe lights. With you I feel something real. And I'd walk a million miles just to see you smile till the day I die.
So, Connor, Vancouver, Canada.
Okay, Connor, what is your favourite place in New Zealand?
Queenstown.
My name's Tim. I'm from Melbourne, Australia.
What's been your favorite add-on activity?
Probably the heli hike.
Oh, I need you by my side. We get high on life till the day we die.
So what's your last words for us all?
I guess my meaningful moment is that Contiki's been a dream job of mine. So I hope whatever you do in your life, Contiki, you find your Contiki. Whatever that dream job is. Whether it be acting or carrying a grip or accounting or all that sort of stuff. So all the best.
Okay, Mike, what is one thing you want us to take away from this all?
Basically just to live your life. Don't be held back by what people think, and just get out there and do heaps of cool shit, really. Yeah.